Just hours from now, the national debate over enhanced unemployment benefits versus worker shortages is going to play out in a Baltimore courtroom. That's where lawyers for Maryland Governor Larry Hogan will argue he was completely within his rights when he announced the state would stop taking the extra $300 a week unemployment benefits from the feds. So is it legal? Let's debate with attorneys Andrew Stoltman and Bob Bianchi. Okay, let's start with Exhibit A. This is Governor Larry Hogan announcing they're going to end those extra benefits. He says, while these federal programs provided important relief, vaccines and jobs are now in good supply, and we have a critical problem where businesses across our state are trying to hire more people, but many are facing severe worker shortages. Andrew.
Well, look, I don't think there's any question that it is legal, but I think the more important question is, should we do it? We still have an unemployment rate of about 6.1%, which is much higher than the pre-pandemic 3.9%. So like Chris Rock says, just because you can drive a car with your feet doesn't make it a good idea. These people are suffering. They should keep their benefits.
The Rock, full of wisdom. Okay, Exhibit B. Now, this is Senator Chris Van Hollen, a Democrat out of Maryland, says this. Not only did the governor's decision thrust thousands of Maryland families into unnecessary uncertainty, it would also reduce the strength of our economic recovery by needlessly forfeiting over $1 billion in federal resources that would have been spent purchasing goods and services at Maryland businesses. But, Bob, this is up to the states to decide.
Yeah, the politicians can say whatever they want, Shannon, but this is a legal topic and it has a legal answer. And the legal answer that's been throughout all the states where this has been done is a judge has issued in Maryland a temporary restraining order stopping the governor because the governor is the executive. He executes the law. The legislature in the state of Maryland, it is argued, and the judge found, said that they should get all available benefits that they can from the federal government. Therefore, the governor does not have discretion to stop that funding. If that law wasn't in place, he would have that discretion. So far, the court has basically said irreparable harm is being created and that there's a likelihood of success on behalf of the unemployed folks. That's the law.
So Exhibit C is more from the governor. He says even President Biden has said that states have every right to do what's best for our economies. I'm confident the courts will rule in favor of getting Marylanders back to work, supporting struggling small businesses, and continuing our economic recovery. So that temporary restraining order is there blocking the governor from blocking the extra benefits. He feels confident they're going to win. Give you both a final word on this. Andrew, to you, and then Bob.
I don't know. I don't think, I don't think it's going to be struck down, but you never know what happens, especially with a publicly elected judge. But I certainly hope those benefits stay in place.
Shannon, so far, every court that's reviewed this has basically, even the conservative states, has said that if there's a state law, the governor can't violate it because the governor is supposed to execute the laws, not substitute his judgment for the legislature. So the courts already ruled in favor of the unemployed, and I think they're going to continue to do that in this situation legally.
All right, we will track it and let our viewers know. Bob and Andrew, thank you for lending us your legal expertise on this tonight. Good to see you both.
Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you.